Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to combine and blend photos in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. And first, to be able to begin, what we need to do first is to add in our two photos. To add in our two photos, let's add in two pages in here. So let's add another page and let's add a first photo here first. So let's add a person in here and let's choose photos onto the elements. So if you have your own photos onto your end, just simply go ahead and add them here onto the upload so that you could add them directly. So for example, we want to add this old man in here. Let's fit this one to the screen and then let's position this as per our liking. Now onto the other page, let's go ahead and add in some buildings. So the same thing, let's head here onto photos and let's try to use this one. So the same thing as well, let's resize this to fit the screen. And the next thing that we need to do is to search here onto the elements gradient. So let's head here onto graphics and let's choose in the white gradient in here. For example, this one. And then we're going to add this layer here, rotate this here onto the side. So let's make this one smaller first. So let's make it bigger just like that. And then we'll copy the same thing and then head back onto the page one. Let's paste this. Let's add this one here and onto the page two, we could move this one here, flip this vertically so that we could add it one here onto the other side, just like that. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to download both of the photos individually. Click onto share in here, click onto download and just choose in the file type for that. Successfully downloaded individually the two photos. We have successfully added them here onto the uploads as well. So let's remove the two photos in here. So let's delete everything. Then right after, let's add in the two photos. So we could just simply drag and drop this one here and fit this one to the screen. Do the same thing to the other photo. And then right after, we're going to select both of them and then we'll adjust transparency. So it should look something like that. So as you can see, we have successfully blended and combined the photos. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.